Hi, my name's Kate. I'm the editor of Knit Now magazine.
Hi, and I'm Jenny, editor of Crochet Now magazine, and we're here today to talk to you about our brand new campaign that's called Heart to Heart.
This all started really because we have been hearing a lot of stories from you, our lovely readers, about how crochet and knitting have helped your mental health. You use them to ease your anxiety and your stress and things like that. So we wanted to really be part of that conversation and help you guys to talk about these things in a fun, crafty kind of a way.
So the way we're asking you to get involved is if you take a look in your current issues of Knit Now and Crochet Now, you'll see we're telling you all about the campaign, and we're asking you to knit or crochet a little heart and post it into us at our offices with a letter about how crochet or knitting or any craft really has helped you deal with mental health, anxiety, stress, or even just why you love it. If you post that in with your little heart, and what we'll do is we'll swap them and send them out to someone else, and then it's like a pen pal system, isn't it? But without too much to worry about, because if you want to stay completely anonymous, you absolutely can. It's totally up to you if you want to share your name or not.
And we've got a few of the little hearts that have started coming in to us already. There is a crochet pattern in Crochet Now and a knitting pattern in Knit Now, and those are both on our websites as well. All of the details about the campaign is on the website. So as Jenny said, all you need to do is make a little heart, write a little letter, pop it in the post to us, and we deal with everything else. So we've got a couple of little examples here.
We do. So we've had one letter, well, we've had several letters, but one I'm just going to read a little excerpt from today. I've suffered with mental health for a while. I recently got diagnosed with 2 chronic hip conditions, and I unfortunately had to give up work. The anxiety and the depression kicked in big time, and I was at a loss. Then someone recommended crochet. So I YouTubed, and Bella Coco came up, and I taught myself to crochet. I instantly became hooked. Pun intended.
Good pun.
Yeah. Now I can't put my crochet hook down. Every time things get bad, I'm in a really low mood. Picking up my hook makes me feel 100 times better. Due to my hip conditions, I'm in pain most of the time, and I'm not very mobile. Crocheting helps me almost forget the pain for a while and helps take my mind off things, especially when I'm down, stressed and upset. Which is just, I think, is a story that everybody has our version of, if not exactly the same. So we're just wanting you to share those so you can just see that you're not alone, really.
Exactly.
So we are running this campaign with the help from some of our friends.
Yes.
So those include King Cole, Signet, Rowan, Wool Couture and West Yorkshire Spinners, and also Stylecraft, who have generously given us this bundle of yarn prizes here to give away to one lucky reader.
Yes, so by taking part in the Heart to Heart campaign, you also get entered into that draw to get some lovely heart-coloured yarns, which is rather nice.
And if you have your letter printed in the magazine, we'll send you a little prize as a thank you.
So I think that's just about it for us for now. We'd love to see you take part in the campaign. If you've got any questions, shoot them our way, and we will speak to you again soon.
Yes, take care. Bye.